But as I say, I don't want to speak about the difficulties that we take, because my players, we make what we love. Good night, everyone. First, congratulations to home team, Haiphong. In my opinion, they have 4 shoots to the target, we have 3. They have 7 corners, we have 8. They scored, the first goal was our player, Erwin, own goal, central back, that scored goal. On the second goal, defensive transition from our side, not so good. And they scored. And after, a fresh man that make a penalty from our side. Many mistakes that we make, but we win together, we lose together. This must be always a teamwork. Today I am sad because I know that my players try to give the best. I not go to say any excuse about that we arrived yesterday and was not the best preparation. For me, difficult. It's like people don't have food to eat. This for me is difficult. We make and we love what we want. As I was saying, I don't want to give any excuse. Home team Haiphong get 4 opportunities, score 3 goals. We have 3 good opportunities. We not score 1 goal, and this is football. Win who score goal. But as I say, I don't want to speak about the difficulties that we take, because my players, we make what we love. Many people want to be in our situation, like other clubs on Liga 1, Liga from Indonesia, and we have the opportunity to have this, but sometimes the conditions that offer to us are not the perfect conditions, but the players have the opportunity to be here and to represent not just PC Makassar, but also Indonesia country. Congratulations to Haiphong. Excellent environment here on the stadium. The weather was a little hot and humidity a little hot, not so similar on Indonesia, but this is not excuse. We're going to speak about AFC. Here we are better because we not play home. We're going to play in the away stadium, but unfortunately this season also our supporters not come to the stadium. I don't know. Last season we champion, 23 years not be champion. Last season our supporters fantastic. This season the supporters not so good because lower attendance, but the supporters that go to the stadium fantastic. But the players, if full stadium like here today, for sure our supporters give extra energy for our team, and sometimes this is what makes the difference. It's the extra energy that comes from the supporters. For our players can be more focused, can give more offensive transition, defensive transition, and sometimes this is what happened. And today, big example, the game was 1-0. Who score goal? If we score, we make 1-1 because we have more opportunities. And the moment that you score the 2-0, make a little difference. And if you remember, when you score the second, after the environment of the attendance go up again, because we have some opportunities, the environment go down because we almost draw. But this is the football. I think you have good team, and I know that some important players also cannot play today. So it means that on the future your team going to be better. I think it's not good for my side to just choose one player. I think you have many local players, but also foreign players with good quality. You have tall players, strong, with speed. and good finishing. When we study your team, we speak this for our team also. We know that you make cutback cross, you know that you change the side, we know this, but unfortunately today on the game we have some moments, like on the moments of the goal, the one goal after the cross, the cutback cross for you making the second, and the penalty. Means that when we make these kind of mistakes, it's more easy for opponent team. And I think Haiphong make fantastic work, make the things that they need to make. And I am a positive guy. When we lose, we not lose, we learn. So I hope that we can learn with our mistakes and we can develop our team. About your question, Haiphong, I feel not fair to just say one player. I think you have good team.